Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So let's learn what is if else condition in Python, and I'll make sure that you understand if else condition and how to use if else condition in Python, and I'll try to wind this up within shortest time as possible. So let's begin with the demonstration part. Let's declare a variable called as a equals to 0. Let's define a condition if a is smaller than 0. So this is a colon, which is mandatory. Let's give indentation, which is mandatory in Python. Print a is smaller than 0. If we do have one more chance here, a is greater than 0, then we should print a is greater than 0, else a is equal to 0. So these three are the possibilities, let's assume for now. So a equals to 0 we have given. So let's execute this. So it says a equals to 0, that means our else condition is been triggered, right? So now let's give a equals to 10 and let's repeat our steps. If a is smaller than 0, then print a is smaller than 0. If a is greater than 0, then print is greater than 0, else print a is equals to 0. Now it says a is greater than 0, so it is in second elif condition, right? So this is the basic if else condition. Guys, if you have any queries, please reach me out in the comment section and I am more than happy to help you. Thank you. Bye.